Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi 9A and let me show you how to set the timeout. So the first thing you have to do is to find and open the settings. Then let's go to the lock screen and the first option is sleep. So let's click on it and as you can see we've got plenty of options to choose from. Now we've got set it 10 minutes, but if you want you can set 5 to 1, 30 seconds or 15 seconds or never. Let me choose for example 15 seconds and from now on after 15 seconds of inactivity this device will turn off. So that's all. This is how you set the timeout in your Xiaomi Redmi 9A, and if you find this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.